There is devastation and despair along the Gulf Coast tonight after Hurricane Laura. The Category 4 hurricane caused several deaths overnight, and while the damage is immense, the predicted storm surge, thankfully, was not. CBS 4's Courtney Zubowski is in Texas tonight.
In Lake Charles, Louisiana, the Richardsons took in the destruction Hurricane Laura left behind.
Can't find anybody to talk to. Can't find a gas station. I was just trying to get home.
The couple evacuated their home in Vidor, Texas, some 50 miles to the west. Laura steamrolled into the Gulf over Cameron, Louisiana early Thursday as a Category 4 hurricane with 150-mile-an-hour winds and heavy rains.
We have sustained a tremendous amount of damage. We have thousands and thousands of our fellow citizens whose lives are upside down.
The storm tore apart countless homes and buildings and toppled power lines. In Louisiana, this train derailed and powerful gusts knocked over an RV. A fire broke out at this nearby petrochemical plant, sending smoke into the air throughout the day. Across Louisiana and here in Texas, crews are still working to assess the damage. Governor Greg Abbott toured East Texas by air and said it could have been far worse.
We would not be gathering here right now had we seen a 10-foot or higher foot storm surge.
But as the human toll is still being assessed, a family mourns in Leesville, Louisiana. 14-year-old Cynthia Miller died after a tree fell into her parents' bedroom where she was sheltering with her parents and sisters during the storm. Courtney Zubowski, CBS News, Galveston, Texas.